filled. Order filled.
Yo, Chef Chris, what's going on? How's it going? It's going all right so far. It's going all right. Gold is flagging out. Bad. I don't think we have any more news. Oh, not really. Back to trading. Camp job didn't work out, leaving by Thursday. Oh, nice. Sorry about hearing about that camp job, but sounds like you already got a gig lined up, so that's awesome. Trying to pass 2 accounts this week. Nice. Which one are you trying to pass? Apex or? Hey, John Walk. Good morning. Oh, nice, Chef. Days are getting more and more boring. Yeah, for sure. Gold is kind of the play. Possibly. Amelia, what's going on? 80% off. Chef Chris, so just 80% off. If you use code PINE. Buellanox is 91% off on the evals. They're about $15.75 for 50K Buellanox. Yeah, sweet Chef Chris. Yeah, I'm waiting on a payout with Buellanox right now. I got a payout right here. And these are looking nice so far. But yeah, it's essentially the same rules as Apex, except that they don't have that trailing drawdown rule and things like that. And then But you have to make 3,600 to take out 1,000 on the funded. With Apex, 2,600 to take out, what, 500? So it leaves you a nice little buffer, though.
Order filled. Order filled.
Came down and bounced right off that 400 level. I don't think that's going to hold.
Order filled.
Tired this morning. Nice little bounce there.
Order filled.
Take that off 10 points. Dean, Dylan, what's happening, guys?
Order filled.
Still short max FA. Not flat.
Order filled.
Smokey! There, bounce off 391 now. Trying to get it done today, yeah. Putting in that work. Grinding these starter accounts. These are funded accounts. In case anyone was wondering. Nice bounce off 391. I'm glad I covered. Took a little heat on that trade, but I was thinking we weren't going to hold that 400 level once we bounced off of the whole number like that. Very rarely will hold those exact hold numbers, but it's more of an I think trade, really. Thanks, buddy. Well, I'm starving this morning. Pretty choppy so far. Had to take a couple days off. Was getting cooked in the market, Dylan. Yeah, that's a good idea. I mean, it's always good to just take some breaks. You know, sometimes you're just feeling tired. Sometimes you're just feeling like you're just not in tune with the market. And it's amazing when you take a few days off and you come back and look at the markets and you feel totally refreshed. You start seeing the charts differently, you know. Still working on a take profit trader eval too. Tea is scorching hot. All right, still just kind of chopping around in range. It really hasn't picked a direction yet. Made a few scalps this morning, but overall, I'm just trying to be patient. I got the XFA fired up. I'm up 441 on that one, but I'm not afraid to like push that bad boy. So we'll see. Hey, Coach Fred. Good morning, TJP. Switch back to PA prop firms, just not for me. Oh, personal account. I hear PA, I think Apex. PA. Yeah, Dylan, I mean, if you can do it, more power to you, man. So what are you guys thinking? Bearish today or what? For some reason I'm thinking bearish. But right now I'm just, no real bias, but market's just super bullish. We don't really have any more news today. I don't know if we had some speakers, whatever. More speakers here. 1 o'clock. Nothing. Price action performance account. Yeah, personal account. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, right now just really choppy. All right, it's hanging right out at the 420. Oh, come on. They could be take out the lows here, but There we go. There's the lows. And there she goes. Pushing down 370s now. Let's check out YM here. Ooh, YM's pushing down as well. Could be pushing down into these single prints here from yesterday. On the 30-minute chart on the NQ. I'm gonna be a bit surprised that, yeah, ES left the same.
Order filled.
Just gonna short here in the XFA.
Order working. Stop filled.
And there's a little scalp there. Blasted through my top slip limit without fills on the first. Yeah, it's not the. I don't know. I don't love it. I mean, I prefer trade of 8. I prefer Quan Tower. But I've gotten away from all like mobile stuff. I've gotten away from all downloadable stuff. I'm gone to all mobile stuff. That's what I meant to say. Legend of Alexander. Today's the big day. Got 4 funded accounts. Not time to fight to draw down. Yeah. 25k drawdowns can come up quick, but just, yeah, I mean, just trade it the way you have been trading it. For sure. I'd love to get a proper setup for sure, but I've been thinking bearish since 2012. Nice, Chef Chris, yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm using on Belanox too, Project X. You were on Rhythmic, yeah. I was too for the longest time because I wanted to copy trade all my accounts. Like across all of the firms, but oh, you were on like R Trader Pro? Wow. Or something like that. Yeah, I was using Quan Tower. Yeah, that feels like it's from like 1998. Keegan, what's happening? Nice bounce there off 354. It's weird to say the 1990. Yeah, I know. It looks like it was from Windows 98. Am I a Patrick Whelan fan? I like his hustle, but the slamming people and stuff like that and talking shit about everyone, I don't know. Not a big fan of that. All right, pushing up here. 420s again. The magical 420s. Thank you. Good answer. It's the politician answer. Yeah, Bionok's 1 day to pass. Yep. Yep, you can full port those bad boys. Alright, just waiting for another setup here. Funded accounts are looking green, good and green. I probably will trade this XFA if I see something. I don't mind pushing it. It has to be something really good though. No consistency. Makes me want to push it, but man, I cannot get anything going with Top Step this year. Last year I was crushing them, but this year it's pretty much been my funded futures, take profit trader. Those have been my bread and butters. I got a few payouts with Apex, few with Tradeify. I got my first payout with Billinox coming this year, but no payouts from Top Step. So I want to take some of that Michael Patak money. All right, I'm gonna sign into my Take Profit Trader account. Which in my opinion is the best deal as far as all in and being able to take daily payouts. Pretty sweet. But currently my funded futures, if you guys didn't know, it's if you sign up for an account using code PINE, you get 1 free reset. So it's basically you get 2, well, 1 free chance. 1 free chance to full port it. And pass in 1 day if you're on a starter account. I'm pretty sure it works for all accounts too, so. Alright, let me sign into my, I'm working on a Take Profit Trader eval. Currently do not have any pro accounts, and I do not want to reset any of the accounts right now. I kind of grinding towards some payouts and stuff. I'm kind of struggling for a bit. For like the last few weeks, been struggling a bit, so no need to reset any accounts right now. Yeah, starter accounts. Yeah, so 50% off too if you guys never signed up for my funded futures. Appreciate that, John. Blew my 25K TPT, but paid my car off this month with a payout working on. Nice, RC. Nice, buddy. Yeah, I mean, take profit trader is awesome. I don't know where I'm at with take profit trader payouts this year, but it's over. It's over. Let's see, 1, 2. It's got to be over almost 30K. So those payouts really add up, especially if you're copy trading some accounts. But to get over that buffer, it's a challenge. Mentally, it's a challenge. Definitely net profitable with take profit trader this year. I am not net profitable with Top Step this year though. Buell and Austin probably break even this year. When I get this payout, it's 1,500, and then because the nice thing about these Buell and Ox accounts, these are all $15 accounts, $15.75. So one nice payout pretty much wipes those out. But I did have some activations and some accounts that I blew, so I would say like another payout after this one, it'll put me net positive for Buell and Ox. It's kind of how I look at it. I look at the prop firms and I say, I want to get my tuition back with that prop firm. Sound like someone was knocking on my door, but it's the birds and the bird feeder. All right, put in an inside bar here, but man, it is chop city. Amelia, tomorrow I get the Buell and Ox payout. I guess I should have put in for Friday. So Friday, you generally get paid by Wednesday, something like that. My biggest month this year, I don't know. It had to be what, February? I don't know. I made a bunch in my personal. I was red hot in my personal. And then I ended up having a bit of a situation at home and ended up just not even touching it. Not touching the personal. I don't know. I mean, 40,000 or something with personals and payouts. I don't know. I had a couple 5-figure days. I had one with Take Profit Trader, that 5-figure day. Had a few 5-figure days on the personal. I don't know. I'm up pretty good this year. I don't like trying. I don't really like keeping track as far as yearly and stuff. I do keep track of the day. So every day I'll write down like, oh, this is what I spent on evaluations. This is what I spent on activations and things like that, and then I'll put in the payouts, things like that. But yeah, trying to like think about money, and especially if you have a losing day or a losing week or something, and then you're trying to make back those losses the following day in the week, it can really mess with me. So I just try to go day to day. The bills are paid. I I guess that's what's important. Although I did just get stupid hospital bills. It's ridiculous. No insurance, guys. My trip to the hospital and the ambulance cost me $1,400. So that was a very expensive Uber ride to the hospital last month. And it's only 20 minutes down the road. No, I'm not doing any stocks. I'm just in the I'm just invested in JEPQ right now. Just to be honest with you. Got all my money sitting in JEPQ. Alan, what's going on? Yeah, we're hanging out. Made a few trades already. Dubs Trader. Amelia, I did. You know what I told him? I'd give him $20 a month. Yeah, my ambulance bill, $1,400. I called them up and I said, I'll send you $20 a month. And they said, okay. I ain't paying them off. Frig that. I'm stupid. Oh. Headed to the office. Yeah, I actually sent out the check today, Amelia, actually, $20. And the worst part is I had to find checks. I had some old checks buried somewhere in my junk drawer, and I found them because they wouldn't take credit card over the phone. All right, let's see what we go in. Yeah, it has to be a check. We're in an inside bar here. 27-point risk. Where's my...
Order filled.
Alright, I'm gonna go short here. Ooh, we did just put in this Harami though. I'm gonna actually exit. I don't like this. Pull up my XFA. Yeah, I was gonna go in long here off the break, initial break here, but then we put in a Harami here. I do not like this price action whatsoever. Like, this is just stupid. We could push right back up to the VWAP now. If we break this Harami to the... Yeah, I don't know. Here it goes. Glad I'm not in that short still. I had 4 ambulance rides for my wife, 4,000 each. Holy cow. That's crazy, Dean. Yeah, I mean, I had a ride to the hospital, but the only reason why I took it is because I was in so much pain that I figured that maybe the ambulance could get me through the back door of the hospital. But yeah, you know what? I sat in the waiting room anyway, so it literally didn't do anything. And all they did was give me an IV in the ambulance. Check out YM here, see what YM's doing. School run's paying right now. 9:45 break. points did we get off that 945 candle? $50. Hey, Black Beauty, how's it going? Hope you're doing well. Oof. The NASDAQ is just being nasty today. Just want to stay away from it. Check out gold here. Ooh, gold is rallying. Wow, what a push off that Harami candle. Oh, it's good to hear, man. It's good to hear, Black Beauty. Awesome. Gold is just mooning right now. Terry's doing great on My Fun Futures TV. Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, she was super nervous about it, you know, but I think it'd be good for her channel and everything. What's up, Seven? What's going on? Yeah, I watched it a little bit yesterday. She did great. The reason why she doesn't like it is because it interferes with her morning trading. That's why she doesn't really like it, but I don't know, Amelia. I know that Forrest guy says he flat out refuses to trade. So hey Ben, how's it going? We're doing pretty good this morning so far. We're green across all the fundeds. So 372 on the Buellanox, 570 across the 3 funded My Funded Futures, and 532 on the XFA. And Take Profit Trader, I have not traded yet. Right now, I feel a little lucky to not be in this market because it's feeling pretty choppy. No real direction, but we did get a few scalps in. Yeah, Amelia, yep. Yeah, that's I think if you'll see some trading, it's probably going to be from Bull Barbie and Terry, probably. But I have no idea. I know that Terry wants to trade on stream, but right now they're just doing tons of giveaways, and people love the giveaways. I got a free reset the other day. I was listening in and I actually caught one of their free resets, so it was pretty sweet. John King in the house. It is. It is Code Pine for my funded futures. Yeah, you have to be quick to get those resets for sure. I got lucky. So I had another one too where I had a reset and it said coupon code accepted, and then the whole thing froze and I actually never got it. But I did get one. Matter of fact, I passed that account, that free reset one, and this is one of the ones that you're seeing. Hey, Honest Take, what's going on? Yeah, price action does blow. His Royal Trades, what's going on? How's it going, guys? Good to see you guys. O'Dane. Dude, O'Dane, yeah, you have to be super quick. They only do them for like 50 people. So. It's good to see you guys. So yeah, we've caught a few trades this morning, and right now the market is just blah. I'm kind of liking the short side, to be honest with you, but because here's what I'm thinking. These single prints down here on the 30-minute, or this giant fair value gap, or whatever you guys want to call it, like I feel like it's just itching to be repaired. So, but for now, it's just nasty. Price action, like Honest Take says, just nasty. So if you're green, stay green, and if you're red, just be patient. But if I had my magic 8-ball, I haven't pulled up the magic 8-ball in a while. Pull up the magic 8-ball. Let's see, will the market fill those single prints today? It says no. Magic 8-ball says we're gonna go to the moon. We're gonna break all-time highs. So, I don't know. Yeah, printing in another Harami here. I mean, enter here, target the top of this candle here, place your stop here. It's not a very good R&R, but I don't know, I just have no confidence in it. But I could do it and just stay in that choppy range. But right now we're green, so up 532 on this brand new account, up 570 on this one, up 372 on the Buellnox. And take profit is just sitting there. The 8-ball can help you trade, for sure. And that is not financial advice. Yeah, once what kind of 8-ball are we talking? Well, yeah, I mean 8-ball always help you trade. Keep focused. But that is not something that I need in my life. That's for sure. Holy cow. I need downers. Hey Nate, appreciate you. Rowan Kitty from GME used to have a Magic 8 Ball on the stream. Oh, no kidding, Keegan. That's funny. Actually, to be honest with you, I didn't try to steal that from anyone. I actually just, yeah, I actually didn't know that. That's what they did in the 80s, Amelia. Yeah, for sure. This is a streamer fade day, except for Pine Tree, of course. Yeah, the market has not picked a direction at all. So we're forming a bit of a trend line, like a very defined trend line on the 5 minute, which is pretty interesting. Yeah, I don't know what possessed me to hop on this morning. I don't know. I guess I was just feeling it. It's not really a gym day, but I think I will try to get some cardio in. And then I have a therapy appointment in a little bit. I gotta go to therapy. Or I have to go to a guy that sits there and I pay money to listen to me talk. It'd be like if I was paying you guys right now to listen to me talk. That's how my therapy appointment feels. All right, kind of breaking that trend line now. I don't know. I hate this. It's $160. $160 a pop, no insurance. I'll send you my Cash App, yeah. His Royal Trades, I don't disagree with you. Yeah, usually when usually like, yeah, for an hour session, John King. Yeah. But yeah, usually after I'm done streaming, and I usually get nervous before I hop on stream sometimes. Not so much anymore, but this is interesting. This little trend line break here. But what is, like, where are we targeting to the upside though? Like, we're right in this chop zone. I don't know, I just don't like any of this. Anyways, yeah, I usually get pretty nervous before I hop on stream, and then after I stream for a while and make some trades and hang out with you guys, and I usually feel awesome after. The 4 hour fair value gap, John King. Yeah, this is my lean too. Like, if we can get a good short setup, so if we look at the 4 hour, you have that fair value gap down here, and then if you look at the daily, you know, you also have a giant gap down here, and 21,000 gap. And if we go to the 30-minute chart, we have the same. We have big gaps down here, so, which is pretty interesting. So, yeah. But yeah, nice little scalp off that. Would have been a nice little scalp off the trend line break there. I didn't take it. I might have taken it if I wasn't up already. John, TCG passed at 50k eval. All nice, man. Probably one of the ones you won. TCG is the GOAT at winning raffles. He is the GOAT. He won my very first giveaway.
TCG did. And he's won a bunch of times on Kellyanne. And maybe some other ones too, right? Cove Trader. He wins from Cove Trader. Methodical Man. I have won Cove Trader's Duck Race twice. And I've won 0 Day J's giveaway. And Husk Traders giveaway that Methodical Man was helping Husk do. Check out gold. Gold was, oh man. Gold is just cranking higher. Finally started streaming my algo. Oh, nice. Full-time trading. Use my entries on gold. Nice. I hope you're long. Gold is just cranking higher. Nope. You can pass in 1 day, Simon of Lee. Same with Buellanox. Same with my Funded Future starter accounts. You can pass those all in 1 day. Same with Tradeify. You can pass in 1 day. So you are good. Congratulations. 50K account, Simon of Lee, or 25K, or one of the big dogs. 250s, 300Ks. Those are hard to pass, man. It's just a signal for the entry arrows with the adaptive RSI. Oh, nice. Yeah, 50Ks. Yeah, those are probably my favorites. Simon of Lee. Take a look at it. Oh, I know I'm subbed to you. What is it again? Full-time trading? I'm kind of liking this on the short side. We can break this Harami here. Yeah, Why am I not seeing it? Trev, what's happening? Our ORB breakout? It's possible. Check out the 15. Oh shit. I missed it. Damn it. Got distracted there. I think we could go lower though. Possibly. Damn it. This could burn me.
Order filled.
I'm gonna scale into this.
Order rejected.
Oh,
Order
damn it.
rejected.
Top step. With their stupid scaling rule. I forgot they had that stupid scaling rule. Alright, we're in 2 micros. I wanted to be in more. Top step in that dumb scaling rule. They don't have 10-to-1 micros to minis because, you know, because they suck. I was gonna try to scale in there because I missed the initial entry there, and this would have been take profit right here, but I want to see if we can actually take out the lows. So I guess it's okay. With the baby size. I'm like clicking on it, I'm like, why is it not working? The only thing I scale is fish. But, you know, it might be a blessing if, obviously if it goes my way, then I'm gonna be wishing I was in a mini or something, but if it doesn't, then we're gonna lose, what, 150 bucks on this trade, and we're up 500 something, so see what happens. All right, I was looking at full-time trader. I'm not, for some reason I'm not finding it. You said you put the link in the chat? But it's to make you a better trader. It's not this one, is it? Oops. Wrong one. It's not this one, is it? It's not that one. Oh, here it is. No, it's not that one. Oh, I found it. So this is full-time trading. YouTube for gold. If you guys want to subscribe to it, go ahead and subscribe. Check out his he's got gold and NASDAQ up there. Some his algo thing, so pretty neat. If you guys want to check it out, go ahead. Alright, so here's what I'm thinking. Put in a ceramic candle on YanQ and MNQ. I actually don't have that indicator up. Probably should. Alright. And I kind of think we might run these single prints down here. That's kind of what I'm thinking. So I'm looking for a big move, big win. But if we get stopped out, we get stopped out. Big inside bar on a 30-minute chart too, which is interesting. But you know what? Just as well I'm not in the mini. So I was having a little bit of the FOMO. We print 90 under, we flush, I think. Not that anything was poppy or flush really. Yeah. And now we're putting in an inside bar, so it's just kind of just gross. We'll see. This is more just, I don't know. If we get the flush, we'll look for 100 points. But right now, we're not moving. All right, putting an inside bar there. Now wants to push back up. I have no more DCA. I don't have any DCA powers because it's Top Step's dumb scaling rule. If you're not trading on Top Step X, they punish you. My fund and future accounts are looking good. Gold starting to push back down. I don't know if you do IB, but if we are in the middle of IBM, so either 430 or 350. Yeah, I do actually pay attention to the initial balance. But yeah, we are sitting right in the middle, so I kind of feel the same way as you, Trev. It's pretty much a coin flip at this point. Don't diddle in the middle, guys. Yeah, scaling rule is only if you're not using Top Step X. Yeah, it's so dumb. Top Step says they can't fix it, and that's absolute bullshit. Every single other prop has 10 to 1. I'm not making a good case to getting on Top Step TV, am I? Sorry, Dolby, if you're listening, but it's true. Yeah, Michael Patak literally was on Top Step TV saying they can't fix that. All right, getting to push back up here. Is Dolby tuning in? He did follow me on X though, Fred, recently. He just started following me. That's the only reason why I said it. The real Dolby.
Order cancelled.
All right, stopped out on that. The Chop Fest continues. So up 380 on the Express account. Up 570 across the My Funded Futures. Up 370 on the Buellnox on the funded accounts. Take profit. I have not made a trade yet. Not made a trade on Take Profit Trader yet. Yeah, that was the scalp right there, but I was definitely looking for the bigger move in hindsight. Now we're just ripping. Popping that initial balance high now. This market. What's gold doing, coming down? No, it's starting to pop back up. Do I dare to short gold? Risk today's profits. The 1 hour ORB. Nice, man. How many points stop do you trade on the 1 hour ORB generally? Or I think you said 1 hour ORB, didn't you? Only goes up, design knob? Yeah. We are out of the middle of the range. So I'm glad I was only in the micros now. See how Top Step saved me there? Made me a better trader. Top Step made me a better trader on that. That was a pretty big loss. It was what, 30 points. 30, 40? 30, 40 points. That's a pretty big stop out. Nice full-time trading. They're gonna clip it and use it in a short. See, Michael Patak is a genius. Just shut my heat off. Talking about Michael Patak gets me hot. I'm just kidding. I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna grab a snack. All right, no one clipped me eating a banana either, right? All right, push up above the initial balance high and then rejected there. But what I'd like to see is a close. If it pushes up, I'd love to see a nice little push up above the initial balance high, come back down and then close. I think that could present a decent short setup. But for right now, we are pushing higher. Who would have thunk? Market only goes up. Nice close above initial balance high there. Possibly a retest. Well, that inside bar paid, didn't it? Technically, this Harami paid. Should have taken the short, and what I like to do, if you're new, most of you have already heard this a million times, but I like to take the short here, place the take profit just below this candle here. Stop would go above. But yeah. 413 new high day pop. Equal high sitting at 21,486 in 30-minute sharp failed auction. 21,486. That's interesting. Alright, just kind of testing that initial balance high now. gold doing? Is it still mooning? Consolidating up there. The short bias too. Yeah, I kind of swept the highs here. I started thinking if we get a nice close below 439. But you know, NASDAQ does NASDAQ things, especially this time of day. It could just continue to just grind higher. But it's one of those things where I'm looking for a trade now, so which is usually bad. The macro should be telling. Yes. So the 10 minutes before the top of the hour here. Am I in Central Time on that or not? Forcing is the devil, Bobby. Double O Kevin, what's happening? Living the life. Nice, man. Yeah, doing all right today. I feel like my trading's been pretty solid today. Would have been red on this XFA if I ended up getting in that mini like I wanted to, but hey, Terry Trades 100 in the house. Celebrity Terry Trades 100. What's happening, Terry? How was the show? How was the My Funded Futures TV show? My ex-girlfriend's name is Terry, better not be you. Alright, what's NQ doing? Oof.
Order filled.
Short. Short. See what happens. This will be my last trade, probably. If it's a loser, then I gotta go talk to my... Not really. I'm just looking at the failed... I don't know. The failed auction above the initial balance high. So... Did I see the 1 minute Harami? I did not. Yeah, I trade on 5 minute. The thing going, market only goes higher, for sure. Yeah, this could have been a big fake out here. I should have waited for the close below the initial balance high. Or waited for a close, but might get a little lucky. YOLO the like button. Yes, use code PINE. Well, it's like we're going to be back to break even on this XFA. Maybe. Yeah, we're up pretty good, Terry, on the my funded future accounts, up 570 across those, and then 370 on the Beal and Ox. Take profit trader, I haven't touched yet. And I haven't touched any Apex accounts either. But you know how those XFAs go, I want to try to push them. I want the big days. But lately it hasn't been paying so well. But who knows? We could technically close below, right? But just barely. It barely closed below initial balance high, which is a good sign, but it's just, it barely closed. You want to see like a strong close above or below, you know, more than 2 points. But I guess technically it's still closed below. But it's still above the VWAP. Triple M, what's happening? Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, I just, you know, on a whim, I just decided to hop on today. I was feeling it. Win a few, lose a few? Oh, for sure. Yeah, the XFA I'm really pushing. These I'm locking up for the day. These fundeds I'm locking up. There's no sense of pushing them. I gotta trade them anyway. Oh, we're back to green. There we go.
Order cancelled.
Alright, we're out of that. I know, it's nice to get a little lucky, Nate. So up 635 on this brand new Express account. Up 570 on the starter account. 372 on the Buellnox. Tyler Trades? I don't know who that is. There's so many oh, ICT trader. Yeah, I've never seen him before. That's funny. 540 people watching. Wow. See, I gotta put ICT in front of my name. That's it. That's it. I'm doing it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna put ICT concepts in my description, but I'm not gonna trade it. I'm just kidding. Pine Seed Tree. Yeah. This is the Pine Trader 2025 model. Damn it. Now we're going. Now we're going. We could see session lows. It's possible. That could have been the key right there to push down into those single prints. But I don't really know. I mean, that could have been it. We'll see. Could bounce off this level too. Yeah, there's my TP. I know, not patient. That's the streamer jitters for sure. No ICT concepts. That is funny, Nate. I might actually do that one stream. I might steal that. Outside concepts. What's gold doing? Gold looks like it wants to push down as well. And there it goes. It's looking a little toppy. I have a trader with 100k subs and he doesn't do ICT trades like us. Is it? Who is it, Trev? You could say. Tom Hugard. Is it Tory Trades? Roach Capital. Never heard of them either. So many. The more you dig. But is the 100k subs real, do you think? Yeah, I would say they are real. I mean, I'm looking at his views. Got some good views. Yeah, you can always tell when a streamer is not buying subs, because when they have nobody watching, and they have, say they have like 15,000 subs and they have like less than 20 people watching them, then you know that they bought subs. It's a good possibility. Gregory Blake, what's happening, man? Good to see you. Yeah, I never heard of him, Trev. Thanks, man. I just subscribed. Hey, listen, I'm a fan first. I'm a fan of all these guys. All right, getting a nice push up there. He's a secret way to get subs. I'd like to know the secret. Giveaways. All right, putting in a Harami here. That's kind of what I'm thinking, Nate. Or if we take out this Harami here to the low side, I mean, this could take out session lows. It's a good possibility. A little sweep and then we take out session lows. I mean, a little sweep of this Harami and then take out the low of the Harami. That would be very nice. He streams all week, compiles his streams, and runs it live all weekend while he does errands. Oh, yeah. Yeah, the market is kind of shit today, Terry, for sure. I feel like I made my money and I should just run. I made decent money. It doesn't feel like I'm going to have a big day, like on this Express account, so it's kind of how I feel. Oh yeah, kind of like that Captain Trader. Have you guys ever seen him? Like, he does the same thing. The Captain, like, he was streaming. He like streams like 24 hours a day, but he never shows his face or anything. I wouldn't even know how to do that. How to run my stream over the weekend. I guess I do know how to do it. I wonder how many days out of the year are big winning easy trade days. I don't know. Doesn't feel like any of them are easy. Yeah, I actually just thought of a way, I think, Trev. Maybe I'll try that. I don't know. Seems weird though. I guess you could just title it replay. But I guess it would be a good way to get subs, but I mean, I don't know who would want to watch it. I wouldn't want to watch it. TX Roughneck, what's going on? Gold has been paying today, man. If you caught that nice gold long, it's been paying. I tell you, the Haramis and the inside bars are paying today too. On gold 5-minute chart. Kind of putting in a little bear flag-ish pattern. Yeah, I agree with you, man. Trump speaking at 3. I will not be around. Cove's taking a hit today on his PAs. Ouch. Yeah, I don't think it was hard to do. Get chopped up pretty bad. The market pops right now, and Cove probably gonna blow his PA accounts. Yeah, happens. I've been blowing a lot of accounts myself lately. There goes the market pop. All right, guys, I think I'm gonna call it there. I'm not digging the price action. It's kind of boring, and plus I gotta get ready to go to therapy. I like Top Step, Gregory Blake. Guys, come back tonight, 6 p.m. Eastern. Market reopen. Let's do a giveaway tonight. 6 p.m. Eastern. Let's do a moose race. Do a moose race for a 50K take profit trader account. So pretty good session. Anyways, to recap, 570 on the My Funded Future starter accounts, the funded accounts, 372 across the Beelanox funded accounts, and up 635 on the Top Step accounts, since you just asked. So yeah, I'll see you guys tonight. I have to go. Yeah, I have to get ready. I go to the dirty loo. So I'll see you guys tonight, 6 p.m. Eastern. Please use my code PINE, help support the channel. That keeps me motivated to hop on. And it also, by using Take Profit Trader, all caps, PINE, P-I-N-E, if you get a Take Profit Trader account, that's what is allowing me to do a giveaway tonight. So I appreciate that, and I will see you guys later. Peace out, guys. Pretty good stream. Awesome.